My name is Marla Deulofeu. I am 68 years old. I live here in Miami. I work for Miami Dade County. I'm accounts payable supervisor. I got a back surgery, I think it was 8 years ago. However, this year, it's start again, a very, very serious back pain.
We do see a lot of patients that have failed back surgery, that their pain is not improving or is even worse. And it's something that we specialize here at the Miami Neuroscience Institute.
I didn't sleep. I barely woke. I saw that I had to retire, and I say, oh my God, I don't have quality of life. I don't want to live in this situation. I'm a person very, very active, for myself. Even I'm supervised 20-something people.
And she had gone through multiple conservative treatment, physical therapy, even other consultations, and that would not give her any hope.
So I went to see Dr. Vasquez, and I said, Doctor, I don't care. I don't want to continue living in this pain.
Marla's case was a case of what we call a classic post-laminectomy syndrome with adjacent level disease. Unfortunately, she had surgery many years ago and presented with worsening again of back pain and leg pain. We found severe degeneration at the different levels next to where she had the surgery.
And he told me, oh, don't worry. I think that we can solve the problem. And he really did. He really did.
Laminectomy, fusion, and instrumentation is a surgical procedure in where we decompress and release the pressure from the nerves and the pinched nerves, and we stabilize the spines with some metal rods and screws to give support to your lower back.
I'm walking now and sleep. Even it was something like a miracle. The day after the surgery, I start walk without pain. I have never need to take any strong painkiller like a codeine or something like that. 2 Tylenol were more than enough.
I'm expecting that she's going to have an excellent recovery. And now we know what went wrong in the prior surgery, so we are able to prevent that from happening again.
So I don't know what other thing to say, that he gave me back my life. He gave me back, everything that I love in my life. The way that I walk, that means that I walk, that I do the things at home, to work with my coworker. They say that I am a new person.
At the Baptist Miami Neuroscience Institute, in the division of complex spine neurosurgery, we have integrated all the specialties that we need to comprehensively treat the patient. We have all the team, including physiatrists, we have physical therapists, and we have the most high-end, newest technology to adequately diagnose the revision surgery and identify what is really causing the pain and disability on the patient.
It changed my life. It gave me back my life. Plenty of, energy, dreams again, and I'm confident that I can do.